Hi everyone! Welcome to my family's YouTube channel. This is Rose, an ordinary government employee. And to those who supported and subscribed our YouTube channel, thank you very much. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please click the red button down below to see more uploads in the future. What I'm going to share with you in this video is yung mga ginagawa ko during my day off. So, alam niyo na pag mami tayo, marami tayong mga gawaing bahay like paglalaba, pagluluto, paglilinis. And nakaka-stress din siya and it's very tiring physically. So, ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako ng ibang pwedeng gawin na kung saan it's more fun, it's more of productive, and then tapos kumikita ka pa kasi it's a little business. So, I just learned na kahit piso pa yung tinatawag na ginansya sa Bisaya, you have to appreciate it in order for you to sustain and to be better the next time around. So, what I have here is yung peanut business. Dito sa peanut business, maliit lang yung puhunan. Like, 1 kilo of peanut, yung luto na cost mga 150 or kung hindi pa luto, you can buy it for around 120 as of this time. And I made this little business in loving memory of our dog, Peanut. He was an emotional support pet, tapos nasagasaan and then namatay, and we were very sad with what had happened to him. So, balik tayo. Ito yung mga ginagawa ko. Binabalot ko siya sa plastic, tapos nilagay ko dito is 13, tapos binibenta ko siya ng 100 pesos. So, yung nagtitinda ng peanut, if they're going to sell it for 10 pesos each, meron silang 30 pesos na ginansya. Okay. And then another one, gumagawa din ako ng sugar-coated peanut and I put it in a tub and I sell it for 40 to 45 pesos, and the reseller can resell it to 60 pesos depende kung yung mga resort or yung mga pasalubong center, mas mahal yung pwede nilang ibenta. Tapos, meron tayong skinless, and then we also have the regular peanut na spicy. So, ito po yung mga nagawa ko. Peanuts in 3 flavors. Tapos, merong naka-plastic, yung nasa ice candy, which cost 100 pesos. Also, pag meron kayong 1 kilo, pwede na kayong makagawa ng 2 and a half na ganyan. So, you can, parang times 2 yung kitain nyo. But it takes a lot of time and effort and hard work. And so, you just have to be consistent para naman masustain nyo yung maliit na business. At saka, we don't know, in the near future, lalago yung business kayo at saka ito pa yung magpapayaman sa inyo. Anyway, I hope you learn from this video that I share. Huwag lang tayong uupo-upo, maghintay kung ano yung dumating sa atin. Galaw-galaw din tayo minsan kasi mahal ang mga bilihin ngayon. Mahirap ang buhay pag wala tayong ginagawa. Nasa bahay lang tayo or nakadepende sa mga pamilya natin. So, for this peanut business, pwede yung pagtutulong-tulungan to sa mga family members nyo, or actually, if you have work, you can also do this as your part-time. Tapos, mag-ikot kayo sa mga tindahan nearby, especially yung mga video kay bar. Ay, nako, sobrang mabenta to yung mga tindahan na may mga inumin. Sobrang mabenta talaga. So, if only I have a lot of time, talagang maggagawa ako ng napakaraming peanuts in 3 flavors kasi mabenta talaga siya, guys. So, I think that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo para kumita or magkaroon ng extra income para sa pamilya. So, bye! Thanks for watching! Subscribe!